Okay, time to try something new. This is quick.
Yeah, kunti.
That's
Dapat sa dito mo
an
nilagay.
egg.
Ito naman trupay.
I don't know. It looks like inside hot sauce or something.
Yeah. At saka yung matamis, lagyan mo matamis na spicy.
Okay, let's be brave.
Your try.
You want to pay?
Okay, I pay for you.
Okay, I just put this here for now. And give this a try. Is this hot? Spicy? Not spicy?
Spicy, there is spicy.
It looks like hot sauce. Oh. Wow, it's like a pickled egg. Okay, I like this.
Kuya, bayad ah.
This is
Luwag
good.
tayong gari.
Ha?
Oh.
Opo. Tay-day.
That's good. Masarap. The sauce makes it taste like a pickled egg. That's good fucking sauce. But don't drink it. Okay, we're gonna try something else. There's some quick. I don't know. There's some liver. And that is chicken intestine. And apparently, I'm gonna try a chicken intestine. It's good sauce, but ooh, the mayonnaise. Chicken guts. I don't want to see it. Alright. It looks weird. Just tastes like the sauce. Onion, peppers, vinegar. Okay. Not bad. I thought I was going to puke. But, cheers. You try the liver?
I don't eat.
Or are you going to try quick?
Yes.
That's very good. I'm surprised. I liked it. You eat it too?
Is enough for you?
Oh, just one, yeah.
Okay.
Only one.
I try.
And you have liver?
Let me try this one. It's masarap.
Okay, what's
Ito, liver.
just a little piece? What kind of liver is it?
Pork.
Pork liver? I really don't like liver. I like liver worst. But
Calamares to, di ba? Dalawa. Sangat na. Kaya magkano sa akin, anuin mo na? Magkano?
not as good as Friday.
Meron. Isa.
But not bad. I think I'm done trying some meat.
Papa, did you
More
drink
later.
that? Did you drink that?